Hey guys, it's Liam here, and today I'm going to be talking about the nervous system, which is, despite sounding like a bit like a robot, is basically what makes up nerves is little neurons, which band together to form nerves, which hence the name, make up the nervous system. So basically. Oh, wait. Before any of you ask me, yes, technically, nerves are what make you nervous. It's probably where the name came from. But anyway, so what nerves are? Basically, little things that send, they're connected and controlled by both your brain and your spinal cord. So, basically what happens is that the neurons and that make up the nerves send little electrochemical signals to, parts of your hand, your eyes, your face, your nose, like the one that's telling me to say this right now. Nothing you hear from me is controlled by me. Actually, no, technically it is. But anyway, but basically, that's what nerves are. But there's two types of the nervous system: the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. The central nervous system is, my thoughts, what I'm thinking about right now. Probably thinking about going to a restaurant, eating pizza. Yeah, that's probably what I'm thinking about right now. But anyway, and then there is my peripheral nervous system, which is, what's happening subconsciously. Controlling, we've got to make sure that heart starts beating, keeps beating at a steady pace. Got to make sure, my stomach's producing the acids, break down the food I've eaten recently, an apple recently. My kidneys preparing, probably, process, the water I drank earlier. All sorts of things. And I'm not controlling it. It's just happening in my body. So that's my peripheral nervous system. Now, there are two types of your peripheral nervous system. The sympathetic and the parasympathetic. And no, the sympathetic does not want you to go and, adopt some children from Africa. And the parasympathetic does not want you to, stab those children from Africa. But against, as the name would tell you, the name is not correct. Don't listen to it. The sympathetic basically is, what wants you to freak out, basically, and think like, I hate spiders. I have an arachnophobia. So if I was to go see a spider, my sympathetic nervous system would be out of control. I'd be like, I'll go run to the North Pole and back. Hopefully by then it will be dead. But, just in case, I probably want to do a few laps, maybe. But anyway, obviously I'm probably not going to do that, but, with the amount of, adrenaline, that's basically what my sympathetic nervous system is telling me. My parasympathetic nervous system is telling me to chill out, man. Basically, maybe have a shower, maybe call my mum to go squash it. I don't know. But just don't freak out over it. Of course, I'm not going to listen to my parasympathetic nervous system. I'm just going to run and possibly go get a metal baseball bat and hide in my room for a few hours. But my parasympathetic nervous system would tell me otherwise. So yeah, that's the the two types of your peripheral nervous system. So basically, that's the nervous system, everybody. I mean, I could go into a lot more detail, but this video would be 7 hours if I mentioned every single detail about the nervous system. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.